OSMO Pocket 3. I love it so far. I haven't tried out the wide lens yet, so we're gonna try it right now. Oh, is that the wrong way? No? Oh no. Is it? Hold on. Ah, I like that. Yeah. And look, every time I move, it moves with me. Testing. Here's the mic. We're testing out how that sounds. Let me know what you think. I forgot to do a quick intro, but I'm just showing you guys the basics of when you first get your DJI, a few color edits with trying the mic and everything. So these are very basic, the little test vlog. Okay. We're at Redondo Beach, and this is what we're giving. I think this is so crazy to be vlogging like with this little thing in my hand, bro. You guys have to be very careful because it's like, if you have big hands, it's kind of easy to drop this too. Like, even for me, I don't have the biggest hands, but I'm like, I want to be super delicate with this. But yeah, I love it. The face track and the size of this camera, I truly believe, is the biggest selling point of the camera. And honestly, it really does its job. Like, I was super obsessed. And the only thing I didn't know before buying the camera was that when you film in like a reel or TikTok format, the 9:16 ratio, you're gonna get a 3K resolution, which I did not know, but still better than 1080. So it's still okay. It's fine. Also, the color grading on here could be a little bit better, but nonetheless, I'm super happy with my purchase. There's nothing a little editing can't fix. So I definitely think this is a win for me so far, just with the basic things. But you can do so much with the camera. You can do slow-mo, panoramas. Like, there's so many options on here. You can do glamour effects where it gives you like a whole beauty makeover, which is crazy. But yeah, it works the best obviously in good lighting, and lighting is important when you're filming, so it depends on your purpose for using the camera. But also the stabilization is on point. Like, love. Okay, hey you guys, so I absolutely really still love this camera. There are a few things where I'm like, I'm a beginner, so I don't know really how to play with this camera, but right now I'm looking at you guys on the DJI Mimo app, and so I think that's a really cool feature. You can do manual, auto, what. I'm looking at it, and honestly, I don't think I like this color that they have. Like, this is the normal color. It's not in D-Log, and that kind of means like flat. Like, I don't know. Y'all gotta watch other videos, but I'm just showing you the test vlog. But it's in face track right now, so it is following me, which is super cool. I'll show you guys once more what it looks like with the wide lens. Oop. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna just take it off. I am also in artificial lighting, so I do have a vanity where I'm using the vanity lights, and this is what it looks like off. So you get like kind of a more natural color. And now we're back on. It's kind of giving like a brown tint to it. It's giving me like vintage right now. So for me personally, I'm probably going to be doing a lot of color editing adjustments in CapCut, just to make sure that it gives the most natural color possible. But yeah, I don't know the rest of the settings on this camera. All I know is I'm going to be learning and figuring it out. Okay, so I was just playing with the settings a little bit. My white balance was in manual, so I put it in auto and it gave me something more natural, which is what I definitely always look for. This is my preference. So, yeah. I did get this camera from Best Buy. It was a total of around $738. I got the creator combo, so it came with the case, and I don't know what this thing in the middle is for. I don't know if it's to protect the screen when you put it away or what. It has a little tripod, which is super cute. Everything's so small. Like, came with this bag to put all your stuff in, and it has 2 battery packs. So this is the smaller one, but they have a bigger one. And then we have this wind muff and the microphone. So it did come with all that. It didn't come with the SD card, the micro SD card. It did not come with that. I had to purchase that separately. It came with some stickers too. My purpose of buying this camera is definitely for like more errands vlogs, travel vlogs. I do have a, oh, my camera's not in here, but I do have a Sony ZV-1 and I love that camera. It's just, I don't want to damage it, and it is a little bit bigger to like pack and store. So, and it's also like, it's not as quick to turn on, like the settings, I gotta kind of adjust, unless it's an auto, but it's just a little bit more difficult for me. So with this, I definitely am experiencing easier ways to record quickly, and just the stabilization is everything. So, you know, you'll record faster by if you need to show a product. It'll blur it and everything. The blur is really good. I'm gonna put the focus mode in product showcase and see if that looks any different than, I don't know if that looks any different, but we're testing it out. One thing about this too, which honestly I don't think is a problem like for companies or anything, but we have a lot of stuff to charge. The camera, the mics, like anything that's external, you gotta charge it. And I don't know if I prefer batteries or a charger, because charging is just like, you know, if you're really trying to record and you forgot to charge something, you won't be able to utilize certain things. Like you may not be able to use a wireless mic, or you may not be able to use the camera. It just depends. So you have to be like very disciplined in charging your stuff. But other than that, this is my review and test vlog of the DJI. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I would say for the girls at least, you know, any guys, whatever, whoever is watching this, this is a good purchase. Once you learn how to use it and use all the functions and features of it, yeah, it's it. So let's get into it. So nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, test vlog. I do a lot of lifestyle, random content, to be honest. I really don't have a niche, but more lifestyle, beauty, errands, everything, all that. Food, health, fitness, all that. So check me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. The sun is shining, it's a new day.